Dr. Crest is right? You think this operation will make Harvey okay again?
I don't know.
Your backside is almost completely submerged. You've done very well in therapy, Harvey. You're more in control now, able to make decisions for yourself without relying on chance. Now it's time for the final step, erasing the scars that created Two-Face. I believe that once you are whole again, your mind will be strong enough to banish Two-Face permanently.
Bruce Wayne picked up the tab for this?
Yes.
Bruce, he's never given up on me. Always been my best friend. I remember when we used to close the town at the Half Moon Club. Most fun we ever had. Heard they were tearing the old place down. I guess nothing good lasts forever.
He's ready. Let's do it.
No! What are you doing? Stop!
Come on!
Sorry, his insurance don't cover this. Don't hurt him. Boss wants to handle Dent personally. Said he wants to teach him some respect.
You take the sedan. I'll go after the other one.
Clean your windshield, mister?